Hello, Lucky here. I've got another lighter trick to show you guys. And all you need for this trick is a lighter. Here's my army lighter, limited edition. And a candle. I've got a long candle. And heaps of other ones, but yeah. So the aim of this, well, what you do for this trick is you light the candle, and when it's going good, you blow it out, and when the smoke rises, you light it about here. When you light the smoke, and the flame will travel down the smoke and light the candle again. So here's a quick thing to show you. Hang on, I'll just move this. So did you see that, guys? You did? Yeah, so I'll do it once more. I think this is a pretty cool trick. Yeah, so if you want me to do any other lighter tricks or candle tricks or anything, I know quite a few, so let me know and I'll do so. Thumbs up this video, helps me out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And bye.